Hey guys, welcome back to the Crafty Reviewer. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you guys this awesome product that we ordered. Hope you guys like it, so stick around and we'll check it out.
Like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Crafty Reviewer. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you guys this awesome product that we ordered. Hope you guys like it, so stick around and we'll check it out.
Like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, welcome back. So, this is the Amazon people just dropped this off, and I'm gonna open it up and show you what we got. Should be pretty awesome. Haven't seen it yet, so just have to wait and see. Look at that. Colapz with a Z. That's pretty cool. Okay. Oh, kind of see the color right there. Alright. So just so you guys know, I'm not sponsored by these guys at all. I'm just doing a review on it because I do reviews on products that I like. So I feel like I'm going to like this, and so doing a review on it. So let's open it up. Instructions. Okay. So let's show you guys what this is before I go over the instructions. So there it is. Goodies in the back. Have this cool little stretchy thing here to kind of hold it all in place. You can just use this when you're storing it, I guess. Pretty cool. Okay, so then you have these in the back. So it's a little spout. You have the thing the spout connects to, and then you have the shower head. Now, if you haven't figured it out by now, this is a watering bucket. Okay, so you literally collapse it down, and then to open it, you just spin it, and it pops out. That's pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. Now, it says in the instructions, so it has all the wrinkles on it and stuff still. So it says in here, so it says basically to twist it to open it, you can fill it with warm water in the upright position, just like this. It'll just help it to reduce the creases and stuff. So we might be doing that later, but not right in a second. And then when you're done with it, you just twist it down. So you go boop, and you're done. Okay, but we're still using it, so we're going to do this. So it's really cool. So it's a bucket. Okay, so the bottom of it, I don't know if you can see the bottom of it. Either way, it has all this stuff at the bottom of it, and it just formed in because obviously that's there. So it has a little handle, the two little handles here, one there and one there. So if you have to, I guess you could carry it by the handles like that, but you can also carry it with like a bucket with this sturdy looking little handle. And this is like thicker rubbery plastic stuff, so it doesn't look like it's gonna rip anytime soon. We'll put that one to the test. But then you can change it into a, yes, you guessed it, into a watering can. So you just tighten this on. Now, anyone who's used a watering can before, you know this spout is like the one you can pour pretty much exactly how you want it, and or you can use this one and do a little shower. Okay, and then it pours out like a shower, but just like that. Maybe without the sound effects though. But anyways, this would go really great with our garden. If you haven't seen that other video, check it out. Put a little link right up here, a little card up there for you to click on. But yeah, got this because we had some tiny little toy watering can that we were using. We had to fill up like 4 times to water our garden, and so now we get to use this. So I'll show you how it works. So guys, a little bit of information on this while I'm filling it up. It's a 1.5 gallon watering can, and it seems like it's gonna hold that water pretty well. Let's check it out. Let's put it all the way to the top. Well, I was skeptical, but it looks like it's gonna work. So let's check it out. Let's drop that right there. You guys ready? I'm kind of worried it's gonna break, but wow, gallon and a half of water, holding it just fine. It's leaking out the front right here because I filled it up past the mark where this is. So I push the bottom back a little bit. It stops, of course, but then to water it, you're just gonna look at that. That's beautiful. And like I said, if you want more directional and like more precise, you can take that off and that's pretty awesome. Cool. I'm excited to water our garden with this. We already watered it this morning, so I can't do it right now, but wow. I was a little skeptical with this because I mean there's stitches up here on the top that's holding this like piece of plastic or rubbery plastic stuff on the top, and it's like a really thick plasticky, almost nylon-y material. It looks like it feels pretty tough actually, almost like a pool, like a above ground like plastic rubbery pool. That's kind of cool. I'd imagine you probably wouldn't want to leave this in the sun, especially if you live in Phoenix like I do. But anyways, so this is pretty awesome. Like I said, I don't feel like that's gonna break anytime soon. Look, I'll even fill it up again. Got you guys a little closer. So again, it's gallon and a half, and it's collapsible, but it holds the weight of a gallon and a half just fine. And I'm literally filling it over to show you that. That's awesome. That's really cool. And you can literally go, I mean, and check this out. Like, I'll pick it up like this. Flexes a little bit in here and there, but I mean, that's sturdy. There's a metal rim here and like a metal, no, so the plastic rim on the bottom with the shapes in the bottom. And yeah, that's awesome. I'm excited about that. It's gonna be nice and durable. All right, water your garden. Oh man. And then when you're done, you just take this piece off. Well, of course, we finished taking all the water out first, so we'll just do that right now. And this cool little cap that comes with it that holds the water in if you're using it as a bucket. Okay. While you're using it as a watering can, you can take the bucket, or you can take the little part that you use it for to plug the hole while it's a bucket, and in this little angle thing, it pops right in there and doesn't come out. It's good. And then when you're done, you just switch them out, put this on, so it's now officially a bucket, I guess. You pop your other pieces in. This one just, they just pop right back in. Sorry, I only have two hands here. That is really cool. Wow. And then you're done with it, you just go twist it, collapse it down, and you're good. And again, once you're done watering with it, if you really want, you can put this little stretchy thing back on, or I'm sure you can just leave it like that. But if you really don't have very much room to store it, you could just take this little plastic thing, or this little rubber band thing that they sent with it. Whoa. Put it more towards the middle, I suppose. That might help. And then since it has little arms on it, you just spread out the arms, and it helps to hold it Now it collapsed. Now it's not. Of course, it's not like it's paper thin or anything. Like it's durable. It's, like I said, like a pool, above ground pool material. It's, I'm gonna say, probably about 3-4 inches thick this way. But I mean, it's a watering can. It holds a gallon and a half. Has a rope on here that's like plastic covered. This plastic stuff right here for the where the handle attaches to it. Seems really durable. The plastic pieces all seem to be thicker plastic. That's supposed to come off, but it's all seems to be pretty thick plastic and pretty durable. Yeah, I like it. I'm excited. And oh, and it has little metal grommet things, I guess you could call it, that hold the rope together to squeeze it together so it doesn't pop off. So hopefully that lasts a while. You can get yours on Amazon like we did. I'll leave a link down in the description below. Or you can go to www.colapz.com. I don't know if you can see that or not, but probably not. But just trust me on that one. I'll leave a link for the description, or in the description below, like I said before. And they have a few different colors. We got this one, and we got another one, and we got a green one. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So we got the blue one and the green one. Those are the only two colors we could get on Amazon at the moment. I think they had like a purple or a pinkish one as well on Amazon, but it was sold out. But so we got these two, and yeah, we seem to like them pretty well right now. We probably technically didn't need two of them, but I mean, why not, right? It'd be fun. So we actually did the hot water thing in this one, and it keeps the I mean, it did de-wrinkle it a little bit. It seemed pretty nice. Let it sit in the warm water for like, I don't know, about 15 minutes, and then dumped it out, and then brought it out, put some cool water in to water with, and we were good. But it seems to water really well, and seems to really hold its form pretty well if you want it to stay like this. But if you want to collapse it, then you probably should take this watering spout off and put the little cap back on there like a bucket, like I showed you with this one, just so it fits better and all that. I'm sure you could, let's see, probably, I mean, you can, I'm sure, do it like this. Yeah, so if you just want to like collapse it, kind of, I mean, it would work, but it's not really meant to collapse with that long thing on there. You're supposed to really have the cap. And again, we have the cap right down here. Boom. So if we need to make it into a bucket, we can. So anyways, guys, I think that's my review for the Colapz, or Colapz, I don't know how to say it, watering can / watering bucket. It's also collapsible. Seems really durable. I would say 2 thumbs up. And yeah, thanks again for watching, you guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and give me a comment down below of how you like them and what color you would like to have. Yeah, on that note, guys, I hope you enjoyed the review today, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.